निवडणुकीच्या तोंडावर NSUIनं अब युवा देगा जवाब ही मोहीम सुरू केली असून वाढती बेरोजगारी हा NSUIचा प्रमुख मुद्दा आहे.
As we all know, the Modi-led government is diverting us from the main motto, like main issues like unemployment. Like this time there are more than 1.8 crore youths, like youngsters, first time voters are voting this general elections. So we want them to remind that what we are seeing now is not the real motto, but the real motto is unemployment that we are facing. We are doing this campaign called अब युवा देगा जवाब. मोदी सरकार से बहुत मांग लिया हिसाब, अब युवा देगा जवाब. In this we are going to campus wise and we are distributing these pamphlets to students and we are asking them like, did you get this 15 lakh amount promised in your account, or did you get those 2 crore jobs that were promised by Modi government during 2014 elections? So likewise we are reminding all the youngsters and the youths of this country that this is the main issue that we have to raise during the election, not the other things that I don't want to mention that you all media know.
Other main issue that we see is every day we see our leader talking about a suit boot ki sarkar. So suit boot ki sarkar for a Rafale deal. Not only with the Rafale deal, this has also influenced in the education system of the country. Geo Institute is being given and is being proposed as the Institute of Eminence. Institute of Eminence are the 6 colleges in India that will get 1,000 crore funds from the central. And this Geo Institute, which is not even existed, it's not existent in this country, that is being given a status of Institute of Eminence, which shows that the education system of the country has also gone in the pocket of Mr. Ambani. We strongly condemn this attempt of education being in the pocket of certain sections of the society. If this 1,000 crores which is being given to a non-existing institute, if it would be given to a university like Goa University, that is when we would have a future. That is when the people of Goa would have a future. So we strongly condemn this act of the Modi government trying to even using his 5 to 6 businessmen in the education sector and lowering down the education system of the entire country.